Imagine building your own smart coffee machine that responds with just a button-pressed teacup with handle. In this project, we're using an Arduino Uno, an I2C LCD, and a keypad to create an interactive system that feels just like a real coffee maker. The best part? We'll program everything easily using PictoBlox, perfect even if you're just getting started.
Hello again, welcome to a new video from Ryan Kiwan Electronics YouTube channel. In this video, I built a coffee shop system using LCD, I2C, keypad and Arduino. So first of all, I used PictoBlox to program this system. As you can see, I use the LCD. It will display all items like tea, coffee, Nescafe, and then it will ask me to press on the keypad, on a button on the keypad, for example number 1 or 2 or 3, to choose an item. So let's test it. Are you ready? Let's go.